new project. This is our new project. What is this? What we're going to do? We're going to make clipper, wave shaping clipper circuit. We're using diode and resistor. This is 1N4148 path switching diode. What is a clipper? It clips the portion of waveform negative during the negative half cycle. So that is a negative series clipper. Let us connect this to, we're going to connect this to oscilloscope, and we're going to connect also this to signal waveform generator or function generator, so that we can see the workings of this just two components clipper. We now have our circuit here. This is our circuit, the circuit, and it is connected to the sine wave generator, FG100 DDS function generator. DDS waveform is sine wave, 1 Hz frequency. You can adjust the frequency here using the cursor, positive, negative. Also the offset. But here we're using an oscilloscope. So that is the waveform generated by sine wave or this function generator, 1 Hz. Or we can move the DC offset, the offset, okay, or just an AC coupling type. Wherein our ground is in the middle, reference voltage, and then this analog waveform will now connected to the clipper. We're going to connect this analog to the clipper, and then after what is the waveform generated by the clipper? After using clipper, we have the channel 2 for the clipper. Channel 1, that is the input waveform, the analog. Channel 2 is the clipper. Let us see the clipper. So you can see here, there's a clipper here. That is the blue signal. Okay? We can see that, the clipper. So it clips the negative half cycle, the yellow one. We can change the bias or the offset. Changing the offset downward, so to see the clipping. So only the top positive half cycle is here. We clip the negative half cycle. That with the use of this clipper circuit. Negative series clipper. So again, we're going to move the clipper. So you can see it clips the negative half cycle of a sine wave or the analog wave. Or we can move upward the offset. You can see here the blue is the positive half cycle, because our clipper clips the negative half cycle of the wave. That is clipper circuit. Usually it is using power supply a bridge type full wave rectifier for rectifying an AC signal. To rectify, to convert the AC to DC. We call that clipper circuit or clipper circuit, as you wish. So in figure 1, we have clipper circuit, negative series, and bias. So why is it called the series clipper? Because diode is connected in series with the input signal or AC. And it is negative because the negative half cycle of the AC input is we remove the negative half cycle of the AC input. So series, negative, series, and bias. We are not adding any additional DC source to the circuit. We are just using diode 1N4148 pass switching diode and a resistor of 10K. And the output, we're getting the output from resistor, plus output minus output, plus out, out plus, out minus. So we are connecting an oscilloscope here for the output waveform, and then for the input we connected the oscilloscope here, channel 1 of the oscilloscope. This is the input. What is the input waveform? That is AC, alternating current. And the output, it is pulsating. So how did we get the pulsating? So here, we also have this functional block diagram of the clipper. We're using the FG100 DDS, function generator, signal waveform generator. It can produce sine wave, square wave, triangular wave. In our case, it is producing a sine wave. We're using a sine wave, just like this one. And connected to the oscilloscope, channel 1, connected. Also the clipper circuit output is connected to the oscilloscope. The oscillator, OSC oscillator, or the AC input. So if this is an AC, we have the positive half cycle, negative half cycle, 0, the ground in between. It means current flows forward or voltage, and then we have a reverse voltage here. Positive voltage, negative voltage, forward, reverse. So this is an AC, alternating current, AC. So using the DDS, there is an offset. If the same way we move the offset here, so we can move the offset from up or down. But in our case, we're using this AC, wherein the ground is in the middle, or reference ground in the middle. So this, so during the positive half cycle, so this one is positive, this one is negative. Conventional current flows into diode, forward bias, because anode is, we first entering the anode, then the cathode. This is forward bias. We can current flows into the diode when it is forward bias, because the anode, we first enter into the anode, then the cathode, and then to the resistor, then back to the source. There is, if we see that in the oscilloscope, there is an output. So the output here is positive. Okay? Here, we're going to see the output here, positive. This is our waveform AC, positive half cycle. During the negative half cycle, so it reverses the direction of current because this is AC. This one now becomes positive, then negative. It reverses the flow of current from this direction now, counterclockwise to the resistor, then to the diode. What happened to the diode? Reverse bias. Current will not flow when the diode is in this position or in this configuration. It will not pass current here. So there is no output negative or here. It will remove the negative. That's why we call this negative clipper, negative half cycle. There's no output. So the waveform should be like this. No output. Positive half cycle, the negative half cycle. There's no negative half cycle, no output. Then again, it reverses the direction. It becomes positive here, negative here again. There is an output. Because current flows again, flow or enters into the diode. There is an output during the positive half cycle. And then during the negative half cycle, reverses the direction. Current flows now here, counterclockwise. There's no output. So what we produce here is pulsating DC. Pulsating DC. So here, the AC is converted into pulsating DC, direct current. So the application of this is we're using this as rectifier. We don't have the negative reverse voltage, just the positive. Only the positive half cycle, positive voltage. So here, the oscillator, it has an AC. Then the clipper, it clips the output, only the positive, no negative, positive, as we have seen in the oscilloscope. That is the clipper circuit. The application is usually in power supply. We encounter that in when we are constructing a rectifier, usually half-wave rectifier. So that is our clipper circuit. Negative. Why is it called negative? Because we remove or we clip the negative half cycle of the AC signal. Why is it called series? Because our diode is in series with the input waveform or input AC. Why is it called unbiased? Because we are not adding any DC source to the circuit. It is just a diode and a resistor, and then this waveform generator AC produced by our function generator or this oscillator generator, function generator, FG100DDS clipper oscilloscope. We're using oscilloscope to view the waveform so that we will see why is it called negative, series, and bias clipper.